How to get Chasing Red in Where Winds Meet. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Chasing Red skin in Where Winds Meet game. So this is very quick access. So you actually have two options for you to obtain the skin. So first is you simply access the game shop, and from shop you should be able to see the Chasing Red skin. You could actually purchase it using your points or balance that you have from the game. Or the other thing that you can do is you can get into offers tab, and then you just need to go into a specific dungeon or accept a quest, and then you will be provided with a pinpoint where you can go into the map, and it will be dropped on the final boss around 60 to 80%. And those are the things that you can do for you to get the Chasing Red in Where Winds Meet.